Hi everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to create a WeChat account. Now to begin the process, first thing is you download and open the WeChat application that you have downloaded. Tap open that app. This will direct you to the home page of WeChat. Now here what you need to do is you need to tap on the sign up. Tap that. There's two ways how you can sign up for the WeChat account. Sign up via mobile, sign up via Facebook. We're gonna go with the option mobile. Tap that. WeChat is a Chinese instant messaging, social media and mobile payment app. WeChat is a messaging and calling application that allows you to easily connect with family and friends across countries. So for you to create an account, you will need to provide these further details. That is your name, country, phone number, and then password, and then finally agree to the terms and condition. So first thing is you provide your name. Type in your name. Below you choose your country region. Scroll down and look for the country region of yours, then choose that. After that you type in the number and then tap on password and provide the password. Once you've done with all, you need to tap on the circle checkbox marking a tick, which is agreeing to the terms and condition of the WeChat app. And after that you tap on accept and continue. WeChat privacy policy. Here are a few more information that you need to go through before you create your account. Once you've done that, you need to tap on the checkbox I have read and accept the above terms. Then tap on next. Security verification. For the security of your account, verify security code before registration. You tap on start. Here all you need to do is drag this piece off in the missing place. This will complete the verification. So to create an account, you need to contact a WeChat user who meets the following condition. They do not have to be your WeChat friend. These are the few conditions that needs to be met. If you cannot scan the QR code, you can ask the user to open WeChat and search for the WeChat team and tap account. There, you need to tap on select help and register. Then you can ask them to enter your phone number for the security check. Then after, once it's done, you will be able to get logged in or have your own WeChat account. If this is not possible, you can tap on the dotted lines on the top right, and there you can choose the option of send to chat or share on moments. You can share this link as well. With that, once the user friend in WeChat lets you in, you will have your account. It's a way how you can create a WeChat account. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.